Again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 14 by 14 inch canvas. A wonderful card of leftover colors that I can't stand the idea of wasting. Although they look nice on that card. And the leftovers that fell over the side from my last artwork. I am going to use my Artist Loft White, in spite of the fact that it had an awful lot of bubbles the last time I tried. And I'm going to grab some of these colors. Right off my edge catcher. And I have decided I want some yellow in here also. I might put some more white in. I definitely want the yellow. Although I might like this yellow more, because it's a lot more orange. And then I'm going to put some more white down. Yes, you guessed, I really don't have a clue exactly what I'm going to do, but I am determined to use this paint up, especially without that big paint chip. And then I have some colors left in the bottom of the ring pour cup also that I did not use, that after I stretch it for a while I may add those over the top. So I'm almost done salvaging all of the colors. From my edge catcher. That spatula's going in the bucket. That plate is also going in the bucket. That edge catcher still has something on it, darn. Well, it's about to have some more. So I'm going to take the side that I added the paint to first. Let it go that way. This may not work, but I'm kind of hoping it does anyway. I know one thing is going to be different. I'm using the places that didn't get covered with paint as thumb holds, which is working out even better than I expected. I can definitely add some more white paint to places. I am making a mess, but I made a mess last time anyway. That yellow, those two yellows together are pretty cool. I don't mind them a bit. Now lots of times I'll take paint. I was going to move it down some, but I think I'm just going to use it again. Alright, here's my beautiful paint. Let's grab that thing that I see in there that doesn't belong in there first and get it out. I just saw it. There it is. My tweezers are on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is on my link tree. My link tree is the first blue link or the second blue link under the video. I'm going to throw some white paint right in my holes. Oh, that sounded wrong. In my gaps. And I might even put some black in there, but not right now. Oh, one more. I'm not expecting this to look like anything else ever. I want some black in there. And there's the black to put in there. I so want some orange in there too. I'm hoping we have enough paint to tip things in interesting ways. I could definitely scrape out my container because the colors in there are tremendous. And I'm going to be sad, but I'm going to take this away from myself now so I don't try and get any more out. I'm going to get the sticky off my hands for a minute. Well, for a second anyway. It's got to be better than what it is. And now it's time to go again. That's kind of cool, but I think it's going to get better. I'm going to lose something, I'm sure. I'm sure I'm still going to make a mess, that's true. I guess maybe I'm not as much of a paint pourer as people who actually pour paint, because I don't like pouring paint away. But I'm having a good time making a mess anyway. One more time over to the other side. Do I want to do anything else to this right now? It's kind of neat. I guess I understand why paint pourers wear gloves right now more than any other time. Part of me always wants to take some cell activator and use it. I've got plenty of paint to fill in my gaps. I just have to decide when I'm going to stop messing around. And if I'm going to do anything with any cell activator, because I sure could. And I've got it right here calling to me. I've even got purple cell activator. I wonder how that would work. Let's try some. Not the best use of cell activator ever, I guess. Let's try something a little easier for me. These are my tiny tools. That's a little better. I can't believe I don't have a scrape dish. Well, I do now. Oh, that's much better. That makes me want to make orange cell activator. Let's try the American cell activator. In black. I'm just going to keep playing. Until I start to see that I'm happy with what I'm getting. And I'm getting happier with what I'm getting. But I'm not sure that I'm thinking about it as thoroughly as I might. No idea what I'm doing, but I'm having a good time playing in paint. And I kind of feel like no matter what happens, I can always tip it. I am looking for some balance, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be offending someone right now. Now I'll try the purple. I like that better. Oh, it's still sold out. That's nice. I was not necessarily expecting my residuals to do that. I'm liking this more and more by the moment. So sometimes you just have to do what you want to do. And I don't think I need to tip it. I kind of think it's absolutely fabulous, to tell you the truth. And it snuck right up on me. So I love you guys. I hope you watch some more videos. There's over 2,200 of them. I've got paint along my tile that I can use on anywhere that needs it. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm totally enamored of this really odd piece. I love that it doesn't look like anything or anyone else's. I'm going to try and remember to put the tools video for making the acetate and bamboo skewer and chopstick tools underneath the video, but if I don't, you have my absolute permission to remind me and ask me to put it there. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask me. I will get back to you as soon as possible, whenever possible. I think I see a space that I can put a little spiral in, and another one right here. Cautiously, because I've learned my lesson today about not putting too many tools in the painting after I torch. You should not. I did, and I paid the consequences. Alright, I love you guys. I think I said that. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching my videos longer. This is stellar. It was okay on the way there, but I really, really love what I have now. I'm so glad you've joined me. I post 7 days a week. You can find my 2200 videos on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, organized by topic and genre and by the 100. And if you can't find what you're looking for, please just ask me. My email address is directly underneath the link tree, which has my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my website, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors, Expressionist Art Studio Totes and more, which will take you to fineartamericanpixels.com on the link tree. My recipe, my paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe are right underneath Show More. When you click Show More under the video, you'll open up a whole menu of describing how I mix my paint. My Amazon link is on the link tree, and if you shop there, you'll find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and all kinds of other great stuff. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments, and thank you for the donations through PayPal that keep me bringing you videos. Thank you for the inspiration. You inspire the heck out of me. If you're looking for the PayPal button to make a donation, it'll automatically enter you in the monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video included on the end screen of every video in the last 20 seconds. And she drew breath. My Teespring, it used to be Teespring, it's spring clothing underneath the video. Has Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts and all kinds of more stuff, and any shopping you do goes to help me out a little bit. A little bit comes my way and helps me buy art supplies, and I really appreciate that. On the link tree, I have Le Gallerist, and I'm about to add a new design there. And it's high-end investment quality clothing from Montreal. Beautiful kimono dresses, kimono tops and dresses. All kinds of wonderful things. Definitely worth a look, if nothing else. I think I have told you almost everything I can see on my crib sheet across the room with my vision the way it is. It's interesting. I will see you guys anon. Oh, look. I have the ability to zoom in. I thought I was going to forget for a second, and I actually managed to do this before time ran out. This is amazing in person. I'm looking forward to doing more spontaneous, intuitive things. That is just awesome. Makes me want to do more water scenes. For some reason, it reminds me of currents. All right, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Hoping you come again tomorrow. I've been having a Night Owl video at 11:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time lately, so you might want to check and see if it's still running. And the other one has been lately at 9:30 a.m. in the morning. Bye for now. Priscilla out.